Welcome back to Preyo Promo, your go-to source for optimizing your tech and maximizing your professional workflow. Is your computer taking forever to boot up every morning? Today, I'm showing you the pro-level secret to disabling startup apps and boosting your PC's speed instantly. Step 1. Access System Settings. Navigate to your Windows 10 taskbar and type Startup Apps directly into the search box. Accessing this specific menu is the fastest way to gain control over your computer's boot-up behavior. Step 2. Identify your apps. Click on the best match to open a full list of every application that launches during startup. Reviewing this list allows you to see exactly which programs are slowing down your initial performance. Step 3. Analyze the impact. Look to the right side of each app to see its specific impact rating on your system. Focusing on high-impact apps is the key to making the most significant speed gains. If you want to keep your tech running at peak performance, hit that subscribe button for Preyo Promo. Join our community of elite users and master the hidden settings that make your life easier. Step 4. Toggle the controls. Simply click the toggle switch to off for any unnecessary apps you don't need immediately. Disabling these background tasks frees up your CPU to focus on getting you to your desktop faster. Step 5. Finalize and save. Once you've trimmed your list, simply close the window to lock in your new performance settings. Your computer will now skip those heavy background loads, giving you a lightning-fast start every time. Now your PC is optimized and ready to handle your high-speed creative workflow without the wait. Thanks for watching Preyo Promo. Smash that like button, and I'll see you in the next one.